Hey gang, it's time to learn how to do the knit stitch, the bread and butter of your knitting journey and the queen of the knitting world. If you've watched our cast on video, this is going to feel familiar because the first 3 steps are exactly the same. Here we're starting our first real row of knitting, so we're going to knit each stitch from your cast on stitches, which are currently on your left needle, onto your right needle. So step 1, stab it. You'll stick your right needle into the first stitch on your left needle, from the left to the right and the front to the back, creating a cross. Step 2, strangle it. You'll wrap your working yarn counterclockwise around your right needle. Step 3, scoop the guts out. You'll slide your right needle down and towards you so that you catch that loop of yarn. Your needle will come out on the left-hand side of the stitch you're working into. And here comes the new move, throw it off a cliff. Simply slip what's left of that stitch off your left needle, and what's left on your right is the stitch you've just knitted. Awesome job. Let's look at that again. Stab it. You'll insert your right needle into the first stitch. Then you'll strangle it. You'll wrap your yarn counterclockwise around your back needle. Then you'll scoop the guts out, so you'll slide your back needle down and towards you, catching that loop of yarn. Then you'll throw it off a cliff. You'll slip what's left of that stitch off your left needle, and there you go, you've knitted your second stitch. Simply keep following this 4-step sequence until you've knitted all the stitches from your left needle onto your right. Hot tip, make sure you're not working at the end of your needles, otherwise your stitches will be a little too tight. When you reach the end of the row, aka all your stitches are off your left needle and on your right, make sure you've got the same number of stitches that you started with. Then you'll turn your work, so put the needle with the stitches on it back into your left hand, and we're going to knit those stitches again. Before you start every row, make sure your working yarn is hanging downwards. That way you can clearly see every stitch on your needle. Make sure that the tips of both of the needles are facing inwards. You'll knit the next row in exactly the same way as you did the first. So you'll knit all of your stitches from your left needle onto your right, following that same 4-step process. Stab it, strangle it, scoop the guts out, and throw it off a cliff. Now that we're working into the second row, we need to make sure that we're inserting our needle into just the stitch that's on the needle and not into the row below. Awesome work! You now know how to do a knit stitch. With this handy little stitch, you'll be able to make many patterns, including scarves and beanies. Now, if you're keen to learn the little sister to the knit stitch, the purl stitch, watch our next video.